After baking until golden brown, the bamboo is split into thin strips and carefully sanded and shaped by the craftsman. Each strip is inspected for defects and then assembled into a hexagonal shape. The ends are carefully bound and dipped in hot glue to form the fishing rod. The rod is then straightened, fitted with a wooden handle, and coated with layers of varnish to enhance its appearance. The meticulous craftsmanship results in a handcrafted flying silver rod with a selling price of $102 and a production time of 40 hours. The quality of this craftsmanship is truly impressive. Thank you for reading this far, and stay tuned for the exciting continuation in the next episode.